What's up, guys? I am here. I'm going to show you my chickens, and I'm going to go check my trap, and I'll show you my bunny. So, I'm going to go check my traps right now, and I'll tell you if I got anything. I am back, and so I'm going to feed my chickens. Right now, we're just feeding them some corn. That cat is so hungry. I'll feed you in 2 seconds right now. Got to feed these chickens, even though you're more important. I bet you I can grab one of these right now. I probably will. Feed them like right under me. They're a little scared because of my selfie stick. Oh, we got a duck. You can hear him. We got Mr. Duckington. You dumb duck! I have to throw it in front of your face? Oh, hurry, dude! He's like, I'm not dealing with this. I'm gonna pet him. Oh yeah, I'm petting him. I'll grab him. Don't worry, I'll grab him. I'm at 1 minute and 10 seconds right now. I'm trying to do it as fast as I can. Dumb duck. Trust me, duck. Just stay here and I will feed you. I'm just gonna pause it, and once I am done. Okay, I'm all done, and right now I'm feeding them. So I'm gonna give this guy some, and I'll grab him. I will grab him. I want to grab that other one now. Oh yeah, I do hold enough. Okay. Just feel all that corn that you're eating. Feel it. I grab you some corn. Grab you some corn. Dude, what is wrong with you? I guess you don't want corn. He's like looking at me, giving me a death stare. I'm gonna shove one in his mouth. It just falls right out. Oh, he bit me. It didn't even hurt though. I don't know why I did that. It's like your reaction. I don't know why. I just got scared right away. You don't want to be by me. You're mean. So mean. Don't worry, cat. I'll feed you soon. Keyword though. Okay, come on.